Hey guys, next project is going to be a Buster Sword collaboration with Quinn's Blades. He is also a Patreon of Michael Cthulhu, and he's a pretty cool kid. I've been talking to him for a while, and we decided that we wanted to do one of the more simpler Buster Swords. I have we started out with this stencil of just the collar. I'm doing the collar, he's doing the blade and the handle. And then I made my own stencil on AutoCAD with reference. I was using as a reference these ball bearings. I got 16 ball bearings that are a ½ inch in diameter. And here's the stencil with dimensions on it so I can cut it out. It's pretty simple, just squares and rectangles with holes drilled for the ball bearings and a little bit of welding. So it should be a fairly simple video, and hopefully I can crank it out pretty quick because I got a bunch of Etsy orders that I gotta do. So if you're interested in checking out my Etsy, it's KO Creation Store at Etsy.com. I also have a Facebook, and you guys should check out Quinn's Blades because he's a pretty cool kid and he does some pretty cool stuff. He does a lot of the swords that Michael Cthulhu did. So yeah, you should check him out. He's a pretty cool kid. Alright, so I got them cut out, both pieces, and then I tacked them together on the ends so I can grind all of this so they're both the same shape. This is the middle piece where the studs go in. So I'll keep them tacked. I'll clean off these edges. I won't touch these because that's where they're tacked at, but and I'll drill the holes so all the holes line up as well. So here I'm just doing the same thing that I did with the bottom pieces, where I weld them all together so I can grind them all to the same shape. It's extremely crucial that these are all the same height, at least the same height, because that controls how square the bottom is. It's really hot right now, so I'm not going to touch it with my bare hand, but they're all brought to the same plane. So then I'll grind the edge, clamp it, grind the edge so they're all the same length, and then I'll shine up the surfaces. Alright, that side's shined up, so now I will take my... oh, it's right here. This clamp. Clamp it, undo the vise, flip it, and do the other side. So now they're all shined up. These ones on both sides, this one just on one side because this gets welded onto the sword. So these are all shined up. I left that one there because it's still hot. I just finished doing all that, so. But it's shiny, trust me. Alright, so the game plan here is to take these magnets, we lay this on here like so, and then we put the beveled edges together. We'll do it right here so you can see. And weld it like that. Yep, so there's the bracket, now the weld. So now I can set this down on that bar, put the ball in, and it should sit flush with this. Yeah, so time to weld in the ball bearings. Okay, I was hoping it'd be a tight fit. Grab my hammer. Tap it, tap it, tap. Yep, there it goes. Just weld into that little trench there. I think it was tight because of the spatter from the weld, but oh well. Yeah, that'll work. It's nice and high. Yeah, sure. Do that. Keep doing that. Okay. Probably going to be way too hot to touch right now, but let's give it a shot. That's a cute little Buster Sword collar. It's adorable. Now to do the second one. Ta-da! Just need a whole lot of cleanup now. I gotta grind all these flat so they sit flat on the sword. This one's a little bent. I might straighten that guy out. It's like visibly bent. This one looks pretty straight. But yeah, just clean up and she'll be done. Woo! Alright, there they are. Rough on the back, but that doesn't really matter, because they get welded to the blade. But yeah, they're all done. Well, in conclusion, these turned out pretty damn good for like 2.5 hours of work. I started and finished them today, so that's not bad. Little cleanup. I'm going to ship them out tomorrow to Blake. So stay tuned. Check out his channel. It's again, I'll put it up here. Quinn's Blades. He's going to be doing the blade and the handle for this Buster Sword, and putting my collar on there. So check it out. He's a cool kid again, and yeah, thanks for watching. I hope I earned your subscription and a like, maybe, if you're feeling up to it. Thanks.